I just come out of my job interview here on 42nd Street here at a restaurant here. Chevy's Fresh Mex. I wait there for an hour, finally get to see somebody. We had cops coming in the joint. I walk out, I got ambulances everywhere. I got cops everywhere. Trash trucks going on. We got the whole thing going on. We got the whole police force here. Let's just step outside my old my interview. They don't know why they're there. They're just there. Always got the ambulance showing up. Got chem shit going on all day. We had a trash truck accident. We got a trash truck incident going on here, folks. They sabotaged my my job at the try to get any help from these agencies to help find work. They shanghaied that. They just shanghaied my job, my opportunities. They're pulling over. They're running the trash truck. Ooh, we must have a 1040 trash truck situation going on here. He's just sitting there. What the hell? I can't even do my trash. I can't even do my trash, and they're harassing me. I'm getting a trash truck harassment.
Well, yes, AC